Alright, so hi guys. So in this video, I want to go ahead and go over this problem. Now, I don't think I've gone over a problem like this on my YouTube channel. So I just want to say first and foremost that this problem is insanely hard. So I just want to make that disclaimer. So this video might be really long. But I want to go ahead and just try my best to explain this. And I did do this problem like probably a few minutes ago. It took me a while. So we have the integral of e to the 3x cosine 3x dx. Now, there is a shortcut to this one. However, I want to show y'all, well, if you don't know the shortcut, then we must do it by original integration by parts. And this is an integration by parts integral. So I do want to say, everybody, just bear with me. This is very difficult, so please do bear with me, and just try your best to keep up. And if you are confused about anything in the video, just, rewind, do all that good stuff. So, here we have the integral of e to the 3x cosine of 3x dx. Now, what I want to go ahead and do is we want to, like always, list or state, do Lie8. So if y'all remember that acronym, this is logarithm, or logarithmic, inverse, algebraic, trigonometric, and exponential, right? So in this problem, we have e to the 3x cosine 3x dx. You want to state what you see, and this will determine our u, right? Let me put that in a different color. So, okay. Now, here, we want to go ahead and just state what u will be. So here we don't have any logarithms, so we can cross that out. We don't have any inverse functions, we can cross that out. We don't have any algebraic functions, we can cross that out. But we do have a trigonometric function now, or a trigonometric expression. So we know that we have a trigonometric expression right here. So this, guys, is going to be our u value. And therefore, the rest of this is going to be dv. So this part right here will be dv, right? So this is going to be dv. So just for the sake of it, guys, and I always like to list our formula for integration by parts. So integration by parts formula. Okay, and so we have e to the 3x, so we know that, actually, I'm sorry, it's going to go the integral of u dv, so u dv, let's just do it this way, is going to equal to uv, so u, and I'm going to do v this way, minus the integral of v, and then du. Okay, so let's do du as this one. So we want to list out, so obviously, and let me just rewrite this again, guys. We're gonna say the integral of cosine of 3x times e to the 3x dx, right? So is going to equal 2. And like I said, let's go ahead and list out. So let's list out our u and our dv. So u is u is cosine of 3x. Okay. And then dv is e to the 3x dx, right? So let's go ahead and do that. Now, as always, guys, you want to list out your du and your v, okay? Now, there is a shortcut to know what v is, and I will go over that in just a second. So, du, in this case, guys, is going to be, and you must be good at like u substitution for this, right? I don't really want to go over the u substitution for how to find du, so I'm going to go ahead and just state what it is. But if y'all have questions over u substitution, I think I have videos on that. I'm sorry, guys, hold on. Give me 1 second. Okay, guys, I'm sorry about that. So I think I do have videos over that. If y'all are not sure how to do that, and I don't know if I do, but basically so du is going to be, let's just do du, so negative sine of 3x. So it's going to be negative 3 sine of 3x dx. And then v itself, I'm just going to state what it is going to be e to the 3x over 3. Okay. So just know that the integral of e to the ax dx is equal to e to the ax over a. Plus constant integration c. That's just really how you say it. And so here, so we're going to go ahead and plug everything in, guys. Now, I do want to say that we're going to have to do this twice, okay? This is what makes the integral very, very hard. So, we're going to say this is equal to, and it's going to be cosine of 3x times v, so times e to the 3x over 3 minus the integral of e to the 3x over 3 times du, which was negative 3 sine of 3x dx. So it would be this way. Negative 3 sine of 3x dx. Not over 3. I don't know if I said over 3, but this is how it would be. Now let's go ahead and just rewrite it. So the integral, and we're going to say it this way, of e to the 3x cosine of 3x dx is equal to e to the 3x cosine of 3x all over 3, right, minus, and you can see, guys, that the 3 here and the 3 here will cancel out. However, be very, very careful with your signs, okay? This is minus integral of negative e to the sine of, negative e to the 3x sine of 3x dx, okay? So you want to be very careful with that sign, okay? And then what you're going to do is you're going to, since there's a negative of negative integral, you're going to turn it to positive, okay? So just know that negative of the integral of negative a dA is equal to the integral of a dA. Just know that, guys. So, integral of e to the 3x cosine of 3x dx, right, is going to equal to e to the 3x cosine of 3x all over 3. And then plus, right, because the negative distributes, and then integral e to the 3x sine of 3x dx. Now, you're going to do integration by parts again, okay? We're going to go ahead and look at this one. So integral, we're going to do a little bit of separate work here. And that's kind of how this goes, guys. Again, that is why this is very, very hard. It's very difficult because it's very long, and sometimes it is very tedious. That's why in my opinion, it's very, very, very annoying. I don't know if that's really an opinion, but this is one of the annoying types of integrals, other than integration by partial fractions. So let's go ahead and do this. So again, we're going to do Lie 8. So integral e to the 3x sine of 3x dx, and it's going to go, this is going to be, so this time we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and do, and actually let me do it this way, integral of sine of 3x times e to the 3x dx. So, so here is, again, we're going to do u right here, and right here we're going to do dv. Don't worry about the colors, guys. I'm just going random here. So again, integral of u dv, and I'm just rewriting our formula. So this time we're just doing a kind of some separate work for this integral, okay? Because again, we have to do it 2 times. So it's going to be u dv is equal to uv, so u, and then I'll do v as this color, minus integral of v, and I'll do du as, I don't know, maybe blue this way. I know that's probably hard to read, guys. I'm sorry. I just don't know what other color to choose. But yeah. Okay, so here, let's go ahead and define u, and then dv, and then du and v, right? So u is sine of 3x, right? So u, and then dv is e to the 3x dx, right? And then v itself, well, again, you can do u substitution, but I'm gonna give the actual, like, what is it? The actual, I'm gonna give the actual shortcut. So v is going to be e to the 3x over 3. Let me move this up a little bit, guys. I'm sorry. Okay. So v is e to the 3x over 3. And then du, obviously, is going to be 3 cosine 3x. So du, let's do du, is 3 cosine of 3x dx. Now, let's plug everything in. So, the integral of sine of 3x times e to the, so sine of 3x, e to the 3x dx equals uv, so u, which is it's going to be sine of 3x times v, which was e to the 3x over 3, right? So times e to the 3x over 3. And then minus integral of e to the 3x over 3, so e to the 3x over 3 times du, which is 3 cosine 3x dx. So let's put that in here. Okay. Now, let's go ahead and just cancel out some things. So therefore, this is going to go the following way. The integral of e to the 3x cosine of 3x dx is equal to, and it's going to be e to the 3x sine of 3x, right? I'm sorry, this should be sine, not cosine. Yeah, and so this is going to go minus, and the 3's are going to cancel out. If you notice, guys, these are going to cancel out. So it's going to go minus integral of e to the 3x cosine 3x dx. So this entire thing, guys, is going to go in. So we're going to go ahead and say the following. This entire thing right here, which is, it's going to be this part, is going to go in for this integral. So therefore, e to the 3x, the integral of e to the 3x cosine of 3x dx is equal to e to the 3x cosine of 3x over 3 minus, I'm sorry, plus, excuse me, plus, and the integral of e to the 3x sine of 3x we just said was plus, and it's going to be e to the 3x sine of 3x, so let's put this in. And then minus integral of e to the 3x cosine 3x dx. So this is basically a matter of doing integration by parts twice, guys. Let's rewrite this without colors. The integral, so thus we have the integral of e to the 3x cosine of 3x dx is equal to e to the 3x cosine of 3x all over 3 plus e to the 3x sine of 3x. Let me write that better. Lord, I'm sorry, guys. Hold on. And then, let me think here. and then minus integral of e, and it was e to the 3x. Give me 1 second. E to the 3x. E to the 3x cosine 3x dx. Okay, now, give me 1 second, guys. I'm sorry, guys, I messed up a little bit. This is what I'm talking about. This is supposed to be over 3. Excuse me, I knew I made a mistake. These are very, oh man, these are very hard. So this is supposed to be over 3 here, right? Because it's supposed to be plus and then e to the 3x sine of 3x over 3. My bad. I caught that early. Or I caught that early enough, right? Now, so yeah, if y'all don't understand, I meant to say this part for this. So I do apologize. Sorry, guys. So we have the following. So therefore, now it's a matter of just adding. So we're going to add on both sides. We're going to add. So add integral of e to the 3x cosine of 3x dx on both sides. So this is just a little bit of algebra, guys. You're kind of isolating that integral. So you can solve the integral itself, basically solving for the integral that we're trying to find at the end of the day. So we have this, okay. And then finally, well, not finally, but almost, we're almost there. We're going to have the following. So it's going to be 2. It's going to be 2 integral of e to the 3x cosine of 3x dx is equal to e to the 3x cosine of 3x all over 3 plus e to the 3x sine of 3x all over 3, and then finally we're gonna just divide. So divide both sides by 2. So here we're gonna divide. So we're gonna divide both sides by 2, right? So therefore, when we do that, let's divide both sides by 2. Just do that a little better. And actually, guys, we know that I forgot to do one thing actually here. What I'm going to do is this. I'm going to be very creative with this. I know this is going to sound confusing, but I'm going to make it, so what I'm going to do is this. 2 integral of e to the 3x cosine of 3x dx is equal to, and it's going to be e to the 3x cosine of 3x plus e to the 3x sine of 3x all over 3. And we're going to multiply both sides by 3 to get rid of the fraction. To get rid of fraction. On right side. So doing that, we're gonna just multiply by 3. So this is gonna cancel out, right? We're gonna get 6 integral of e to the 3x cosine of 3x dx is equal to the following. E to the 3x cosine 3x plus e to the 3x sine of 3x, right? So plus this, and then finally we're going to divide both sides by 6. I'm sorry guys, hold on. Okay, sorry guys. So we're going to divide both sides by 6. So divide both sides by 6, right? So let's go ahead and do that. So this is the last step, guys. I know this is really long, I'm sorry. So dividing by 6 on both sides, we're gonna do, so therefore, thus we have, we get, it's gonna go, the integral of e to the 3x cosine 3x dx is equal to, and we're going to go ahead and actually factor out, so we can keep it this way. We can say e to the 3x cosine 3x plus e to the 3x sine of 3x all over 6 plus constant integration c, or the integral of e to the 3x cosine of 3x dx is equal to, and we're going to factor out e to the 3x over 6. So it's gonna be e to the 3x over 6 times the quantity cosine 3x plus sine of 3x plus constant integration c. And these are two different types of answers, or two different types of ways in which you can write the final answer to this problem, guys. But all in all, that is going to be the final answer. So, yeah, I do apologize if this one was super, super long. But yeah, as I said in the previous video, in the beginning of this video, excuse me, I said that this was going to be a very, very tedious and long problem. But that is the answer to this problem, guys. And with that being said, that is going to be it for this video. So if anybody has any questions, please let me know. And thank you all so much for watching. And please like, comment, and or subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.